Hey everybody, Digger coming at you with a party bus update. Right now, this is time for the wiring. I'm going to do this first before I really start building anything on the bus. That way, you know, this stuff is all done and everything. A lot of stuff to do. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you what we're doing. Alright, as you can tell, Hootie likes the amps. This is an amp. Made by Sundown Audio SLT8, and for the front speakers we have a Sundown Audio Salt 400.2. So this is for all the upper speakers, and this is for the subwoofer. And then we have a 3000 6000 watt power inverter. Got the cords to go with that. Got the electronics that go with to turn the inverter on and off, and we've got our manuals and everything. And this is the base control that plugs into that, which they did not give me any cord for, so I have to find it looks like a God, that right there. It looks like a phono jack, but it's got a couple more wires on it. So we'll come in with the power. We'll go through a switch. We'll go through the fuses, and that'll go to the amps. He did say something about putting some capacitors on these, so I still have to receive those from him, but that's a good bit of stuff right there. Man, this thing is gonna thump like I never thought. Alright, so here's the back of the head unit. I've got all my wires all sorted out. So I've got red for positive, yellow and black right there. Got the green wire for the emergency brake that I'll probably just hook up to something else. I think it just needs to, like, you know, but we'll see. Subwoofer output. We've got the audio ends. These will come from the television. Got the antenna wire. Got all the RCA's. There's 2 groups in there. Got a microphone, and this also goes to TV. Next extension cable. So you gotta run a TV to this one, and I don't remember. Camera to this one. So obviously you can tell I've got a little bit of wiring to do. All this stuff will be under the seat behind the driver's seat, and the main power comes right down off of that, and will power everything. So that's what I got going on today. Can't show you anything I'm building, because that stuff right there, this is what I'm working on. So hope y'all have a happy day, and remember, the party starts here. We'll catch you guys later. Adios. Digger is out. And hey, YouTubers, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, and maybe even that little ding ding bell thing. That way you get updated and you know what's going on right after I do it. So tune in, there's more to come. The party starts here.